everyone, it's Sandhya and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so today's video is going to be super beneficial for you all if you have concerns like acne spots, dull skin. So without any further ado, let's just dive into this video. Alright, so about a month back, 2-3 people texted me on my Instagram regarding the acne issues that they are facing. And if you guys don't already know, I suffered from hormonal acne for more than 5 years, and even though my skin is cleared out, there is always like 1 or 2 acne that shows up here and there. And the other concern that I had is regarding the glowing skin in winter. So summers में to get glowing skin is very easy, but winters में क्या होता है, हम अपने face पे इतने सारे products use करते हैं that our skin looks more tanned, dull and dried out. So either our skin looks more oily or it looks dried out, but we don't get the glowing skin that we want in winters. So I really wanted to try something जिससे मेरी skin थोड़ी glowing लगे, because if you guys follow me for a while now, you know that I love glowing skin. So I tried these 2 new products. These are from Glamours. First one is this Glamours Super Spotless AM to PM Potent Pimple Formula, and the second one is Glamours Dream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil. So I really wanted to see whether these work for my skin or not. इसीलिए मैंने like daily जब मैं इन्हें अप्लाई कर रही थी अपनी स्किन पे, I recorded it so that I can show you guys कि कैसे ये वर्क करता है and does it work or not. So ये सारी चीज़ें मैं आप लोग को दिखाने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. So first let's just see how these worked on my skin. So जो मैंने वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड की थी while applying these products, मैं पहले उन्हें आपको दिखाती हूँ, and after that I will give you guys my final verdict about these products. So yeah, let's just begin.
Alright guys, so it's the day first, and as you can see my skin looks so rough and dull, and also I have some acne on my forehead and on my jawline, and these are the 2 products that I'm going to start using from the day 1. The first one is this Dream Skin Face Oil, and ये इस तरह के cardboard box में आई थी, and this is what it looks like. Also this is the very first time I've ever used facial oil, so that's why I was a little confused like how to use this. So I just directly applied it on my bare skin without applying anything beneath the facial oil, but I loved it how it just quickly get absorbed into my skin and how it felt on my skin. My skin definitely felt so nourished and also supple and smoothened. I used both of these products for my morning as well as night skincare routine. I didn't shoot the night routine part because of the lighting issues. Alright, now moving towards the application of Super Spotless. So again I applied this on the top of my facial oil because winters ka time hai and I obviously cannot skip any of my moisturizer or anything. So I used to apply this on the top of my facial oil, and I applied this every night. Like night time routine में मैं इसे लगा करके and overnight leave कर देती थी, and morning time में if I don't have to go anywhere I used to apply this. And by the 3rd day you can clearly see my skin looks much more like clear than before.
Wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it?
So by the 7th day, as you can clearly see, my acne has almost dried out and my skin obviously looks much better than before. It looks much more radiant and glowy.
Stop the time, 'cause I wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it? close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it?
सो गाइज मैंने आप लोग को एक वीक का एप्लीकेशन शूट करके दिखाया, बट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दीज प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर 15 डेज नाउ एंड आई एम लविंग द रिजल्ट्स। जो मेरे स्किन के कंसर्न्स थे वो काफ़ी हद तक इम्प्रूव हो गए हैं एंड मैं इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स को मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग दोनों टाइम यूज़ करती थी, लाइक इन माई मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन एंड एज वेल एज इन माई नाइट स्किन केयर रूटीन। सो ये ड्रीम स्किन बिल्कुल भी मेरी स्किन को डिहाइड्रेटेड नहीं होने देता था। इट कीप्स माई स्किन मॉइस्चराइज्ड एंड नरिश्ड वाइल दिस सुपर स्पॉटलेस। इसने मेरे एक्ने को ड्राइड आउट होने में हेल्प किया। मेरे एक्ने इससे काफ़ी जल्दी ड्राइड आउट हो गए एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स मी टू गेट रिड ऑफ द एक्ने स्पॉट्स, काफ़ी लाइट हो गए हैं एंड आई रियली लाइक हाउ दिस बोथ वर्कड ऑन माई स्किन। सो लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दीज टू प्रोडक्ट्स इन डिटेल एंड ऑल्सो डोंट वरी, मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाके आप लोग का ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेने वाली हूँ। इट्स जस्ट दैट आई सिलेक्टेड सम पॉइंट्स विच आई फील इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो। सो फर्स्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ग्लैमर्स सुपर स्पॉटलेस AM to PM पोटेंट पिम्पल फॉर्मूला। सो दिस इज़ वॉट द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक। ये एक 50 ग्राम का ट्यूब है एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर ₹445। ऑल्सो इट हैज़ नो सिंथेटिक फ्रेगरेंस। तो अभी काफ़ी सारे लोग फ्रेगरेंस फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स की तरफ जा रहे हैं। आई पर्सनली हैव नो इशूज़ रिगार्डिंग द फ्रेगरेंस। आई इवन लव यूजिंग फ्रेगरेंस वाले प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई एम ओके यूजिंग विथ नो फ्रेगरेंस प्रोडक्ट्स, बट आई एम मेकिंग इट क्लियर दैट इट हैज़ नो सिंथेटिक फ्रेगरेंस एंड if you are someone who is allergic to fragrance or you get pimples due to fragrances, then this is going to be helpful for you. And also it feels minty and cool on application. Like if you have, like होता है ना पिंपल आने से पहले your skin start to hurt and it gets red and everything. So अगर आप इसको उस टाइम अप्लाई करोगे तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्स करेगा आपकी स्किन को. It will make it cool and minty and बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है एप्लीकेशन पे. And it will help your skin to relax. And also it has no paraben, no SLS, SLES. It has no mineral oil, no silicons. And also it is vegan and cruelty free. And how to use this? So as I've already shown in the video itself, so what you have to do is that you just have to take a pea-size amount and you have to directly dab it over the acne or problematic area and you have to leave it like that. You can leave it like overnight अगर आप इसको दिन में नहीं use करना चाहते हो तो, but for best results you can use this twice a day. The second product is Glamour Stream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil, and as I said earlier, I love using this. I used to use this in my morning as well as in my night skincare routine. And this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a dropper, so it is very convenient to use. Talking about the texture, so it is super lightweight in texture. It gets absorbed into your skin super quickly and it doesn't make your skin look oily, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे facial oil होते हैं which are not meant to be for the people of oily skin, but this is for all skin types. आपकी skin में बहुत अच्छे से और बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है without making it look super oily. And also it is lightweight in texture, but it gives you all day glow and nourishment. Also this bottle is of 30 ml and it retails for ₹899, but obviously you can grab it even for lesser on Glamour's की website. Again, I will mention the link in the description box. And you just have to apply 2 to 3 drops of this facial oil, so this 30 ml will go a very long way. So talking about what it does is that first it is super lightweight, so it gets absorbed into your skin very quickly without making it look oily or greasy. Second is that it makes your skin look plumped, and also it will make your skin look radiant, and it is for all skin types, so you can definitely grab it without thinking like whether it will suit your skin or not. Alright guys, so this was end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. अगर आपको कोई भी confusion है, you can definitely visit Glamour's YouTube channel. I will link that down below in the description box. वहाँ पर आपको सारे products का application and everything you will get there. And still, if you have any queries, you can comment down below. I would love to help you with that. And with that said, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my other videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.